Hello, my name is Scott Hughes. I'm a radio presenter currently doing The Breakfast Show on Radio City in Liverpool. So after 17 years of living in a flat, I just moved to a house quite recently, and one of the first jobs I needed to do was to get some blinds for the window. I wasn't sure whether to get blinds or to get curtains or to get shutters, so I was looking at all the different options. As you can see behind me, I've got a bay window, so I didn't really want to spoil it by putting curtains up, and certain other blinds just didn't feel right. And I like the modern look and feel of these plantation shutters, which is what made me go for these. So why Perfect Shutters? I saw the Perfect Shutters van at a neighbour's house actually, and a few people had mentioned their name to me before as well, so I did some Googling, found out they're a local Northwest company. Always prefer to use local companies if I can, because I just think you get a better service when you speak to people locally. They send a guy around, he measured all the windows that I asked for, give me a quote there and then. They then go away, they send a surveyor back who double checks all the measurements, measures all the windows perfectly to make sure they fit great. Next thing, you get an email or a phone call saying your shutters are ready, we'll come around and fit them. Easy as that. So I wanted like a kind of modern, clean design. I think the shutters give that feel when you get them in, particularly in a bay window like I've got here. And you can have a split as well. So I've got like a 70-30 split here, which means you can open the top, get some light in the room, but you can also close the bottom. So if you're getting out of the shower, for example, and you want a bit of light in the room, but you don't want your neighbours to see anything they shouldn't, that's ideal because you can shut the bottom half, which is a feature I quite like. Oh, by the way, if you're a bit of a clean freak like I am as well, pleased to say they're nice and easy to keep clean. So if you've thought about getting some shutters, Perfect Shutters have been brilliant from start to finish. I think they look absolutely great, particularly if you've got a bay window like I've got here. Nice and easy to keep clean, really simple to use, and the best bit is, the neighbours no longer get an eyeful of me, which, trust me, is a good thing.